good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to do addition with missing addends. All right, so we've been doing addition, but we're going to take out an addend and we're going to figure out how to find the correct answer for that addend, okay? So I want you to get your paper and your pencil out. Find a piece of scratch paper and a pencil. All right, so the first one we're going to do, we're going to read the story, okay? We're going to look for those numbers, those addends. We're going to see if we need to add or subtract, all right? So there were 10 stars on a paper crown. Then Emma glued on a few more. So we don't know what a few are. So first we know there's 10, so 10. All right, we know we have 10 stars, and then she glued on a few more. So are we adding or subtracting? Well, a few more, so we're adding. All right, so plus. Now, do we know how many more? No, we don't know that yet. All right, and then we need to find the sum. All right, so it says now there are 13 stars. So we know the sum altogether is 13. All right, so we have to figure out how many stars did Emma glue on the crown. Okay, so we have 10 and we need to get to 13. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 10 away from 13. So put our 10 right here. Now we're going to subtract. Whoops. Subtract. All right, 3 minus 0 is 3. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So we know that our addend is 3. All right, it's pretty easy. You just got to make sure you can read those sentences the correct way. Well, all right, Jen had 9 stickers. Then she got some more. Okay, again, we don't know what some more is. All right, so she got some more as a gift. Now she has 19 stickers. All right, so we know first she had how many stickers? 9. Okay, so we're gonna write the number 9. All right, and then she got some more, so we're adding, but we don't know how many more. So we're gonna write a line because we know we're gonna fill that addend in. All right, and so it says now she has 19 stickers. So our sum is gonna be 19. Okay, so now we need to find that addend. So again, we're gonna take the 9 and we're gonna subtract it from 19. Okay, so 9 minus 9 is 0, and then we know we bring the 1 down. So our missing addend is 10. All right. All right, now, there were 7 pennies in a jar. Then Todd added some more. So again, we know we have the number 7. All right, and then it says Todd added some more. So we're adding some more, but do we know how many? No. All right, so we're adding some more. All right, now it says now there are 16 pennies. So in total, we have 16 pennies. All right, so again, we're going to take that 7, and we're going to subtract it from our sum to figure out our missing number. Now, we know that 7 can't come out of 6, so we've got to use our head right here, okay? So we got to go from 7 to 16. So we're going to put 7 in our head, 7, then we're going to go to 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we know that we have 9. All right, so we have 9 left. And you can do that over again just to make sure you get the right answer. Or whenever you come over here, you can add it to make sure you get the right answer when you're doing it in your head. Because sometimes it gets a little confusing. So we're going to put that 9 right there. And you filled in your missing addend. Alright, so that was all for us today. But I'm going to get you to do an exit slip. I'm going to show you how to do it on here on your Chromebooks at home, okay? So you're going to go to iExcel. So I've got one of your Chromebooks right here to show you. Okay, so on My Apps, you're going to find iExcel. You're going to click on it. It comes to your dashboard, all right? You're going to go down here, and right here, the first one that pops up, it says Quiz, Addition with Missing Addend. You're going to click on that. All right? Then it's going to come up to your questions. You're going to read it. Use your paper to answer the question. Type the number, that missing addend, in the box. All right? When you're done, it'll go to the next one. When you're done, you have 6 questions. When you're done with those 6 questions, you're going to submit it. Now, I'm not grading this. This is just an exit slip so I can make sure you got it. All right? I'm not grading it. You're going to go up here, submit quiz, and then I'll see how you did. And that's all you have to do. All right, y'all have a good rest of your day.